Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Hey, I got my indoor booth tied up today, so we're going to come to you straight outside from beautiful Hudson, Wisconsin. 773 Bobcat G Series. Excellent rubber. This is the original paint. It's got a few scuffs and scars. New 68-inch Bobcat low-profile bucket. Nice machine. Just over 3,000 hours. The 773 is the predecessor to the 185. We're a turbo diesel here, Kubota powered. It's a 2002 model. You know, overall, just really nice condition. You know, a few wear marks where there should be wear marks. Right on the threshold where we step in. Nice comfortable seat. You can see the roof is in good condition. Gonna need a new gasket on the door. We'll take care of that. Inside the machine. $3,228 hours. A nice machine. Cab with heat. Great visibility. You can see the tires. Standard Bobcat foot controls. It's a manual Bobcat. Plates nice and tight. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2002 Bobcat 773 G Series. This may just be the machine you need to fill in for business or home. We've got standard flow hydraulics with the flat face couplers. You can hook up just about any attachment or brush mower. We've also got the 7 and 14 pin dual attachment kit, so you're ready to run a soil conditioner, grading devices, you know, anything that might need the 7 pin. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.